Hi guys, I am here to show you how to do the decimals $2 workshop for today. If you will notice, when you are on your screen, if you look over here to the left of the presentation, you have several dimes and several pennies. If you look over here to your right, you will see the decimal form of the number you will be modeling. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the 2300ths. So in the tenths place, I see that there's 2 tenths, so I'm going to pull over 2 dimes. You just click and drag. In the hundredths place, I see that there are 3 pennies, so I'm going to click and drag 3 pennies. I am then going to type in the total number of tenths. So if I just double click here, you may have to do it a few times to get it to highlight, or you can click in it and drag to highlight all of it, whichever you prefer. I'm going to then type in the 0 and 2 tenths for the hundredths. I am going to type in the 0 and 3 tenths. And then down here you will type in the expanded form equation. So I will type in the 0 and 2 tenths plus the 0 and 3 hundredths, which will equal 23 hundredths. Enjoy the activity, guys.